Gates is a global leader in power transmission and fluid power products. In this video, we look at one of our most popular products, the Gates self-assembly hose and coupling solution. We will hear from our Irish distributor and some of our customers.
My name is Joseph O'Reilly. I'm the Managing Director of Industrial and Farm Machinery. IFM are a leading parts supplier of hydraulic solutions, established in 1968, covering a number of industries including marine, forestry, agriculture, material handling and many others. Our association with Gates started 57 years ago when my father was searching for opportunities. He spotted the idea at a show and he thought this is a good idea, bought the machine and brought it back to Ireland. Gates and IFM have shared values in terms of looking after customers when it comes to quality, service, reliability and durability, and they find for their staff that it's a very easy system to follow.
My name is Paddy McMeel. I'm Combi Lift Supply Chain Manager. Back in 2009, Combi Lift went to the market to find a superior hose and coupling solution. IFM and Gates installed a fully fitted out assembly station in our facility. It really improved the port-to-port quality and provided a leak-free solution. They also think outside the box in terms of how to support us as a customer, and that allows us to bring new customized products to the marketplace much faster than if we didn't have that facility.
My name is Paul Finnegan. I operate Finnegan's farm here alongside my brother. Because we run a large fleet of equipment, we don't want any downtime when we're working the equipment. So when we wanted to buy a new crimper, we rang IFM because obviously they have the Gates supplier. The guys came up to us, he went through all the different fittings with us, how we could use the system, and he gave us maybe a day or two training. The fact that we can assemble the product so quickly and so efficiently is really a game changer. So from that point of view, we were always going to choose IFM.
My name is Andy. I'm the manager here in Bradshaw in Athy. So we do commercial, automotive, agricultural and tools and equipment. Most customers would look for Gates and are happy with Gates all the time because when we have it here on site, customers can come in, they're stuck, they want to get going, we can fix it straight away. Most of the time we'd be going, maybe making 20, 30 hoses a day. With Gates and IFM behind us as well, it makes it so simple that we can keep the customers happy and keep everyone out through the door and going.
With the Gates system, we pride ourselves on the simplicity and the ease of use of the system. We offer full training when we deliver the machine, and we can certify people in safe hydraulics, meaning that they are capable and competent of making global standard hoses in their own premises.
Overall, we'd have customers saying that they would be a longer lasting hose. They don't perish as easy. Other makes we'd get in here, the hoses would be cracked and lads would be giving out about them. Not Gates. We never have any problem that way.
We've far less breakdowns because with that system it gets us up and running really, really fast. It's definitely one for the future.
Safety is of paramount importance. By using the Gates products, it gives Combi Lift real peace of mind that these risks have been minimised.